Hey, hey, no. Don't you dare do this to me. Come on. I've got you. Oh, you're a lot lighter than I remember. Or maybe I'm just running on adrenaline. Okay. We're inside. You're safe. You hear me? You're safe. God, your skin is freezing. Why would you even try crossing the bridge in this weather? You were always so stubborn. You still are, apparently. No, don't answer that. You can't. Come on. Burn. There we go. Oh, there we go. I need to get these layers off of you. They're soaked. Frozen solid. Hey. Stay with me. Don't close your eyes like that. I know that look. I've seen it before. Last time. It was on the frozen pond, remember? You fell through the ice and I had to drag you out. You kept laughing. Saying you weren't scared. You were always terrible at admitting when you were dying. Okay, blink it first. Then I'll warm you up properly. Your hands. They're stiff. Fingers barely moving. Your pulse is slow. Too slow. Hey, look at me. You don't get to disappear on me. Not again. Not after all these years. I'm sorry. This is going to feel weird, but if you're even conscious enough to even feel anything, I have to heat you up. Fast. Skin to skin. Yeah. That's what they taught us at the academy. Didn't think I'd ever use it on you. There, just stay here. Pressed against me. Oh, God, you're like ice. Can you hear me? You better be hearing me. Because I have a lot to say. And I don't want the first real conversation we've had in years to be at your funeral. You know, I almost didn't open the door when I heard something outside. Thought it was the wind. Or maybe I just didn't want it to be you. But I saw your boot prints. I recognized the way you walk, even through a blizzard. Crazy, right? Funny what the brain remembers, even when the heart's trying to forget. Come on. Move your fingers. Even just a little. There. Wait. Did you? Yeah. Yeah, I felt that. That was something. Good. That's good. Listen to me. You're not allowed to drift off. Hypothermia makes you feel warm, sleepy, peaceful. It's lying to you. If you sleep, you might not wake up. And I refuse to carry that weight again. Match my breathing. In. Slow. That's it. And out. You know, you used to say that you hated when I told you what to do. Said I was bossy. Maybe I was. But you listened when it mattered. I need you to listen now, okay? Why did you come all the way here? Out of all the places in the world, why this cabin? You remembered it too, didn't you? Our little escape? Where we swore we'd always have each other's backs? It's funny how promises freeze over just like lakes. I was angry. You left without a word. Years, just silence. I told myself I didn't care, that I'd move on. But the second I saw you collapse in that storm, every stupid wall I built shattered. Because it's you. It's still you. It's always been you. Come on, circulation. Wake up. You need to feel this even if it hurts. The pain means you're still alive. And to be honest, I'd take you yelling at me, hitting me, or telling me to go straight to hell over you lying here like this. Say something. Come on. Anything. Tell me that dumb nickname you used to say to me. Tell me you hate me. Just don't be silent. Hey. That was a shiver. Okay, good. Good, your body's fighting. Okay. Fight harder. You've always been a fighter. Even when you shouldn't been. Remember when we tried to climb the radio tower? You slipped halfway up and still refused to come down. Said, if I fall, at least it'll be dramatic. You idiot. You don't have to be dramatic anymore. Just stay. Stay with me. Your skin's warming up a little. Yeah. I can feel it. That's it. You're safe here. I'm not gonna let you go. Not until you push me away yourself. But right now, all I care about you is waking up. But you owe me an explanation. And you owe me not to die. You owe me that much. You owe it to me and to yourself. Just keep breathing. That's all I need you to do right now. Stay with me. Please. Hi everyone, and thank you. Oh, I hit my microphone. And thank you for listening to today's audio. And thank you to my channel members: Alala DE, Sin, Astrid Lemser, Riverwood, Wolfrider26, Amiza Michaela, Kinder29, Mel Star, Tori Hills, Angie, The Poetry Cooker Video, A in parentheses Katie, AJN, RD Melody Audios, Red Raccoon, Reed, Unanonymous, Grace Roberts, Thunder, Marlies, Starter76, Ruby Blue 0910, and Andy Estrada, Mina, Vic, Rudy Draconic, Aaron Johnson, Headphone for Life, Savannah 3120, Hi Woo 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 Woo, Megan Jane Music, Vivian Moon 483, Pip, Julie Arberg, Hannah, Layla, Sugar, Emmylou Hu 1990, Asia, Gabby, Amanda Gabriella, Nikita Maria De Cruz, Saikona, and Annalisa Winterborn, Nevis, Foxy Cat, BBQ, the 880, Minji_P, and Nokia. And I will see you guys in the next one. I am very dizzy, so I'm gonna go.